Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1980 AMC Eagle. As you can see, it's part of Chrysler Group and the casting is by Matchbox. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the AMC Eagle out of its box, and as you can see on the side, it has got some nice off-road looking wheels. You've got some good details on the side. Like here it reads Eagle, in the back it reads 4-wheel drive, and also you can see this beige kind of color or sand kind of color, and this brown trim going all on the side, plastic trim. I haven't seen any vehicle with like brown plastic on the side, mostly seen black, but again it was 80s. As you can see, it's a 5-door, also got mirror, which is a good thing. You can also see this trim piece going from front to back. The roof seems to have a carrier. I'm not sure if it is. Looks like a carrier on the roof. Interior is also done in almost the same color as the body of the car. Now let's move to the front. You can see the headlamp, fog lamps, but they are not detailed. And there is the grille. You can see this big trim piece going from the front to the back and the hood, which was very like common in 1980s car. You also got not detailed, but windshield wipers, which look good. I forgot to mention the turn indicators on the side. Now let's move to the passenger side. Again, almost identical detail. I do like the detailed door handles, turn indicator on the side. Looks good. Also, if you look, you can see the mud flaps here. I think a lot of older cars had mud flaps. Newer ones, they don't have mud flaps. You just get that plastic piece. Coming to the back, again you can see the bumper. You can see the place for the tail lamp and number plate, but they are not detailed. I don't know, it looks like a slightly lifted wagon to me, but it looks good. You can see the bench seats inside. Rib design. You used to see that on 80s cars. That was very common. This is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I would say it's especially with the paint and details, it looks like really nice casting. Maybe if you have like a fine hand and you can add details up front, it will look even better. But as such as it is for a mainline, I think it's a good looking casting. Not the best, but good looking casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.